Welcome DEKWP, 小工 Abor. Your learning journey starts now. Ever felt like AI jobs are a giant jigsaw puzzle? You've got all the pieces, data, code, fancy algorithms, but putting them together into something truly useful. That's the million-dollar question. Old school training often just throws you skills willy-nilly, like giving someone a toolbox without teaching them how to build a house. But AI isn't about isolated tools. It's about building the whole damn thing, from the first brick to the final light bulb. We need a new blueprint, a new way to think about nurturing the minds behind this tech. And that's where our secret weapon comes in, DIKWP. So, what is this DIKWP magic? Think of it as a five-step ladder for understanding and creating anything smart, especially AI. First, data D. Raw stuff, like pixels or sensor readings, the absolute basics everyone should agree on, the same ground truth. Then, information I. Making sense of that data, spotting patterns, differences. It's like seeing shapes in the clouds. Next, knowledge K. Weaving those info threads into a complete tapestry, understanding the whole system, the complete picture. Wisdom, using that knowledge wisely, making smart calls, considering values and context, the value judgment part. And finally, purpose P, the ultimate why. What's the goal? What drives the whole process? Crucially, these aren't separate steps, they loop back and forth constantly. Feedback flies everywhere. It's a dynamic, interconnected web, not a simple pyramid. This framework gives us a common language to talk about thinking, both human and machine. Now, here's where it gets really cool. Using DIKWP changes how we tackle problems. Forget vague complaints. Let's dissect. Take a tricky issue, like boosting quality on a factory line. Using DIKWP, you automatically break it down. What are the raw facts D? Where do the good products differ from the bad ones I? What's the full picture of how the line works K? What's the best move to fix it? Balancing speed and safety W. And does it align with the company's real goals, like cutting costs without sacrificing safety P? C? By forcing us to articulate the problem through these layers, we've already mapped out the solution path. Expressing the problem clearly becomes analyzing it. It's like having a built-in GPS for complex challenges. This clarity is pure power. Okay, let's talk about bugs. Not the annoying computer kind, but the fascinating ones. Think about it. Bugs aren't always bad. They're actually clues. Remember when astronomers noticed Uranus wasn't orbiting quite right according to existing theories? That was a bug, a gap in their knowledge. Instead of ignoring it, they used their wisdom to hypothesize a new planet, which led to Neptune's discovery. That bug filled a gap in their knowledge, leading to a bigger, more complete understanding. DIKWP embraces this. Bugs signal where our knowledge is incomplete. Solving them pushes us towards completeness. For talent development, stop fearing mistakes. Embrace the bug hunt. It's where real learning and innovation happen. It's about finding those gaps and filling them with smarter, more complete ideas. So, how do we actually use this DIKWP thing in the real world? Everywhere. In schools, imagine courses designed specifically for each layer: data literacy, pattern recognition, systems thinking, ethical decision-making, purpose-driven projects. For working professionals, companies can assess employees across all 5 layers, identify weaknesses, and provide targeted training. Think personalized skill building. Organizations themselves can use DIKWP to ensure their strategies and feedback loops are aligned with their core purpose. We're already seeing this in action. Think self-driving cars needing sharp perception, robust planning, and unwavering safety focus, or AI in healthcare needing accurate data, insightful diagnostics, sound medical knowledge, wise treatment choices, and always prioritizing patient well-being. The goal? To cultivate talent that's not just technically skilled, but deeply understanding, adaptable, and driven by meaningful purpose. Wrapping it up, DIKWP isn't just another buzzword. It's a powerful lens for building the AI talent of tomorrow. It reminds us that true innovation isn't just about clever code. It's about balancing hard skills with deep purpose. It's about creating people who can navigate complexity, solve problems holistically, and build technology that genuinely serves humanity. The future? A future where understanding this DIKWP framework is as fundamental as knowing your ABCs. So, next time you hear about AI, remember, it's not just about the tech, it's about the people and how we equip them to think, learn, and create responsibly. Think bigger, aim higher, and keep asking the why.